Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to give information about your health background on the Ada application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the profiles icon down below, which is the second option. Then in the Your Information section, tap on the Health Background, and you have to answer these 4 questions in order to fill in this page. Have you ever been diagnosed with high blood pressure? Choose the relevant one. Do you have diabetes? Are you a smoker? Are you pregnant? Then if you are done with it, all you have to do is going back to the previous page. So now this info has been saved and your health background page has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.